No?
Did I spell this?
You can spell that.
Let your brother do it. He'll do it.
Can I get it right here?
Sure, go for it.
Open up that door again, honey. I think I heard something.
What could it be? Oh.
Hmm? Oh, great cinematography.
We need to hide it right there.
Yeah.
Taking a bird.
Oh really?
There. See it right there. Right?
Right. What kind of bird is it, guys?
We don't know, but we're still digging. Maybe no matter what.
Liam.
Maybe it's a true water bird.
Yeah. What's that rock pile in front of you, Liam?
That's another dead bird. Yeah, in there.
That's where we buried the bird, Liam?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, there's some on my face. Yeah. There's a rock. Can you get it? Where is it? It's right there.
Cool. So, Porter, where are you going to get the dirt since you've been throwing yours to bury yours?
What?
You got to get dirt to put over on the top of your dead bird.
I know. We're going to get it from over there.
I see.
Banana.
So how do you guys think the bird died?
Probably Cleo. Cleo.
Yeah?
Or a bug by it.
Or what, bud?
Or it could have rabies.
Right.
Or poisonous berries.
Maybe it ate poisonous berries, or maybe it just flew into the window. Did you find it right there in front of the door?
I found it over there.
Oh, well, yeah. That might be Cleo. All right, I think that's probably deep enough.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Sorry, buddy. I can get you. Dirt. Mine is out there. Don't do that, Claire. Why did you push me? Sorry.
Okay, who's going to make the rock pile around it, the grave?
We both are.
All right, you guys go get some rocks.
Liam, go get some rocks. Got it. Liam.
You got to walk around and find them.
Find them. That's where he's going.
Liam, where are you going? That way? All right.
Oh, focusing.
There's Mom's Mother's Day grill. A thermos. Isn't that kind of funny? Keeps your beef cold while you cook it.
There's Cleo, the meat-eating bird. Eats bird. I found some. You get more. No, big rocks. Like that. Okay.
Yeah, Liam, you need the big rocks.
I already picked the place for a new bird.
You okay? You okay, bud?
Looks fine to me.
Did you get a rock, Liam?
Yeah, big one.
Let me see how big it is. That's a good start. Way to go all the way out there for that.
Liam, don't fall.
Hey, Liam, that was a little hard, okay?
Now I can't find
So it's been about 10 minutes. What do you need help with, Poe?
It's ready.
Oh, is it ready? Should we get Liam out here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll pause it then.
Now we're going to name it Gravy. And
Gravy?
yeah, Gravy.
Alright.
And it just got killed.
Yeah.
Or a couple days ago. I'm sure because I saw it this morning when it got killed. And we're praying to it.
Praying for it. Not praying for it, not to it.
Praying for it.
Yeah.
And so, yeah. So we're going to...
He was just putting some sage offerings on the bird's grave. Now, is there anything that you want to ask God for when you're praying for this bird?
We want to ask God if we would stop killing birds and stuff like animals and stuff like that.
Liam, is there anything you want to say for the bird? Okay, you can say it now.
Bye.
Goodbye, bird.
So, bye, two birds. We're sorry that our cat had to kill you, and we're saying welcome to heaven. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you, Porter. That was a very nice prayer. Okay, you're stuck.
At Target.